Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about the glow mask today and show you how I put it on, because I like the way I put it on. I feel like I kind of have a art and a knack for figuring out ways to use the skincare product. Like, there's definitely products I use the same instructions as the box, but the majority of products, it's not what the box says. Hey, Miss Lindsay. I'm gonna have to clip this. The thought of putting a bra on was like, no. But this is not staying closed. Okay, that's much better. Okay, so the glow mask. So I have a special running on my website right now. I actually do these gift with purchases. Generating the sales is lovely. I love generating sales, but that's not why I do them. I do them because I do not want product to go stagnant. And so I got these a little bit ago, not a super long time ago, but a little bit ago, and they're still kind of sitting, and they were given to me as like a giveaway product. And so I didn't feel right selling them. I don't know. It's like I didn't pay for them. It's not really right to turn around and sell them. So I wanted to always keep them as a gift. So that's why I'm running it, because I want you guys to be able to capture these. And then same with my heavier oil. Like I had the 15 ml heaviers. I was getting more backstock than I wanted. So I'm like, we're going to do giveaways because I want inventory to stay fresh. So So this is one of my most favorite masks to do in the bathtub. I actually keep this product in my bathtub. It's not a product that I usually have in my bathroom. It's by my tub. This is the size that you'll get. It's 3.3 ounces. It does retail for $36. And then here's the big original size, which is, it's really just like 2.6 ounces. Yeah, it's exactly half. And this I think retails for like $58. This one's available. You can purchase on the website. This one for me is a freebie. You can get from the Cosmedix site. So I've cleansed my face. In the bathtub, I would actually put this on as soon as I get in the tub, and then I keep a washcloth right on the ledge because I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So I wash my face with a gentle cleanser. You can use any of them, a gentle cleanser, an exfoliating cleanser, purify, whatever you want to do. So I have the face slightly damp, and usually in the tub I've rinsed and then like I'll lightly pat dry. So I just want a little bit of moisture so it absorbs better. See how much is left in this one. And this is how I apply it. So there's scrubbies in this. They have put like ground up bamboo in here is the scrubby effect. And then it also has, it has liquid ingredients that help with brightening and toning of the tissues, evening out pigment. It's got niacinamide. It's got the tetrahexadecyl-ascorbate, which is the most superior bioavailable form of vitamin C to use in your skincare. It's why it's the active ingredient in my Brilliant C&E at 7%, and in the body oil that I'm going to be launching soon, it's in the body oil at 3%. So my body oil is going to have a higher percentage than most tetrahexadecyl-ascorbate products on the market. I'm very excited about it. Anywho, so it's got that, and it's got, I think I already said niacinamide. And it's also got bamboo extract, which bamboo extract on its own is basically like bamboo juice almost, is pretty much what it is, I think. And it's a major antioxidant. So I get a decent amount of it. And I first go in kind of light. Like I don't and I do like to use my hands when putting face masks on. I'm not really a fan of brushes. I like brushes, when I was in my 20s, that they just didn't exist. Only estheticians really had them. And two, there's something about the connection. Like, I want to touch my skin. I want to love myself. It just feels more grounded. So I'm just putting on a thin layer. Not a thin layer, but I'm just smoothing on a layer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit for about, 5-10 minutes until my skin kind of drinks it. And then I'm going to go in behind it and scrub. And the reason I do that is what I have found is during this phase right now when you scrub, there's just not, it's just not as scrubby, right? Like there's more cream. So it's a gentle exfoliation. But if I wait till my skin actually absorbs some of these ingredients, these actives, and then I use these little scrubbies in here to work them into the tissues even more, then also it dries it out more, and it actually creates a more aggressive scrub. So that's why I like to do it like this. I do feel like it's a 2-in-1 product. It is a physical exfoliant, particularly if you do it this way. Like doing it like this, like scrubbing right now is like when you put a little bit of like scrubbing powder in your cleanser. Whereas like when I let this soak in a little bit and then go behind and scrub it, it's going to be more like an actual like scrubbing product that you would use just like as a scrub alone. But it's a face mask. And then the other reason why I like to do it in the tub is I cannot stand, train's going by. I cannot stand chasing scrubbies off my face, like rinsing over a sink. It's maddening to me, especially when they get up in the hairline and stuff. So I tend to do them in the tub, or at least like do it outside of the shower and then get in the shower to rinse. Cause I just, if you ever get a facial from me, I do not use physical exfoliants in the treatment room because I focus so much on massage, because I'm also a massage therapist. The scrubbies will just drive me insane. My autism can't handle it. It's the sensory. So I just don't like the scrubbies on the face. I love what they do to the skin, but I don't like chasing them around. I got to be able to like be in something that's going to completely rinse them off. All right, let's see if anybody has any questions. I'd love any questions that anyone has. I'm going to let this sit and soak in. You do only have to spend $50. There is no code. You're just going to get it. Some people already just got it who had ordered before the sale started, because again, I'm trying to get rid of the inventory. And honestly, nothing is more devastating than like you purchasing something and then like a day or two later getting the email that says, oh, yo, bitch, if you go spend a little bit, if you go buy something, we'll get this for free. And you're like, dang it, I missed it. So sometimes if I can, I will go ahead and just include it because it's what I would like. It's what I would want. But so as you can see, it's starting to go in. So what I do is when I first get in the tub, I put it on and then I, lay back. I have a pillow in my bathtub so I can relax. And then around like 10 minutes later, see, it's really starting to go in a little bit. See, I just have my flour sack towel. Everybody knows how much I love these. Hello, Miss Chelsea. How are you? So I'm just letting the glow mask sit a bit. Does anybody have any questions? Okay. So normally what I would do is I would let this if you wait 5 to 10 minutes, it absolutely all absorbs it and you can't see it at all. It just drinks it. And then I go in and I start scrubbing. And then the scrubbing is intensified. I will go over my lips, but I'm going to go over them at the end because I'm talking. In the bathtub, I would just be doing everything at the exact same time. And I do like to scrub on the side that I feel like the crossover can cause the pressure not to be the same. Just like when I'm working with people and we're doing the chemical peels, like if you're applying peel to this side, use this hand. If you're applying peel to this side, use this hand. Don't do the crossover. So I'm gonna get in here. Always go in your eyebrows. So many people always go around and just go in and get a good exfoliation in there. And then I'll go over my lips. I really try to exfoliate my lips every day. It doesn't happen, but... And then I'll go down and get my water. In the tub, I would have gone, I would have taken everything actually down to here. And then sometimes I'll scrub it around like this. And then I'll let it sit a little bit longer. I'll let it sit like another 5 minutes. And then I go back in and scrub it again. And then when I scrub it again, it'll be even stronger that time too. So... Okay. All right, so some of the sleepers on the website, that's what I was going to talk about. Like products, if you've never tried them, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. And one of them is the A-Lift body cream. She's not cheap. I think she's $100 now. She used to be $90, but with the price increase, I think she may have gone to $100. This is a product that I absolutely stopped using in the summertime because it's straight up retinoids for your body. Like the Serum 24 in the Elite line, it is a lipid delivery system on the retinoids that are in it. It's got retinol and retinolaldehyde in it. And it has 24% of that complex. That's why it's called Serum 24. Serum 16 has 16% of that retinoid complex, so it's like a 0.5 retinol. And then Serum 24 is like a 1% retinol. Okay, A-Lift has 25% of that, so it actually even has more than the face serum. So what I do with this stuff, I don't put it over my whole body because who can afford that? It's just not realistic. Routinely, like to get the benefit, you know what I mean? Like just like it's a treat to myself. If I do it now and then you're not going to get the benefit of it. It's a product that you need to use. But I put this product, I try to put it on at least every other night, if not every night, from fall through spring on my arms. I do my whole arm now. And I can't tell you the difference it's made. A couple years ago, I started getting more pigment on my arms. And let's face it, the hand, like, no one likes how skin ages. It's just unpleasant. Like, not a fan how skin ages. Just gonna admit it. It does. It starts getting, like, no matter how much moisturizer you put on it, it quits, like, feeling like it can get hydrated. It just always kind of looks dry. Especially in the summertime, if you're out in the sun at all and you get a little bit of sun on your skin. I have found this immensely helps. So you have to stop using it in summer because it will make you more sun sensitive. And over time, you'll actually create more brown spots. They won't show up right away. But fall through spring, I probably stop about 2 months before it starts getting nice. I'll also put it up on my décolleté. So I put it on my arms and décolleté. And then the next thing I do is the Illuminate and Lift. That I put like on my lower jaw here and my wattle. So these two products are, I feel like, two products that don't get talked a lot about in the Cosmedix line that I feel are phenomenal. Is the A-Lift with the retinoids and then Illuminate and Lift. Illuminate and Lift, my big selling thing on Illuminate and Lift is it's got a peptide in it, the active ingredient that makes this product so phenomenal. The studies on it. Is the active ingredient in Zio's firming gel. It's the exact same ingredient, okay? So for the Zio firming gel, I think it's $2.35 for an ounce of it. It may have gone up last January. I haven't looked. But it used to be $2.35 for an ounce. This has the same active, and it's 2.6 ounces, and it's like 77 or 78. So I have people who use this as a nighttime moisturizer all over their whole face for women who want, or for humans who want moisturizer and don't just use oils. Some people get it for the décolleté. I use it on my neck and chest, and sometimes I use it on my boobs. It just depends on but see, it's thick. So if I was using that, like this is way too much, to be honest with you. If I was using this just on my like wattle and chest, like to here, if I'm just doing this area, it's a small amount that I use. Like this is more than I would need to do my whole face, my neck. That's a lot. It's a little ridiculous. I'm gonna have to rub it on my legs. Here, I'll put it on my leg and I'll rub it in later. Can't be wasting product. Okay, so see how the mask is just melted into my skin now? Can't really see it. So now when you go in and scrub, oh yeah. So the area you want to be the most gentle with when you're doing physical scrubs is right here. That's the thing with the bone. The bone causes it to have way more abrasion. And what'll happen is you'll get this thing called the little telangiectasias. They call them broken capillaries, but they're not broken. They're very alive and well. And mechanical telangiectasia is a very common cause of them. Like my brother's a landscaper and he's always wearing safety goggles. And you can see on this one side, he's constantly rubbing dirt out from underneath the glasses right here. It's not as much on this side, but like, and you can totally see it's the exact shape of his eyeglasses. So yeah, the mechanical telangiectasia is totally a thing. So feel free to be aggressive up here, totally more so down here on the upper lip. But once you start getting into this whole thing right here is called a zygomatic arch, the cheekbone, you want to be kind to her. I also will go right on top of my eyelids. I just do little gentle circles. Okay, get the nose. And then I would just rinse this off. Like right now it's like rolling all over me. It's actually kind of acting like a gommage right now for estheticians. I know you know what that is. So that's interesting. In the bathtub, I don't notice the gommage because it's just so wet right away. But yeah, that's how I use the glow mask. Does anybody have any questions before I let everyone go? I'm gonna go rinse this off. It's making a mess all over my dress. Hey, Mickey, how are you? Mickey's my girlfriend. She lives in Ireland now. We went to India together on the yatra. We were roommates. So good to see you. So good to see your face. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. Hope to see your orders come in if you'd like to try the mask. Mwah.